India is getting the red burgundy model of the Samsung Galaxy S8, as SamMobile saw it. The new color is part of a series of moves the Samsung India is making to increase the appeal of previous S8 and S8 Plus phones after the launch of the new S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung India cut prices for the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus earlier this month, presumably because they cost almost as much as the S9 and the S9 Plus. Anyone with around 57,900 Indian rupees $891 to spend probably prefers the newest and best specified model. The red version of Burgundy was already available in South Korea, where it was launched for the first time a few months before the Lunar New Year. The color is not available anywhere else. The S8 in Burgundy color has the same specifications and design as the original S8. The Galaxy S8 will arrive in India on April 13 at a cost of 49,990 Indian rupees $769.85. The main retail stores will also offer cash return values of around 10,000 Indian rupees $154 for even larger discounts.